Manual labor is harder to find than ever, but the work did not disappear. For someone willing to do it or manage it well, this gap is one of the clearest opportunities to start a profitable service business today. Right now, fewer people want hands-on work. More prefer remote jobs or desk roles. But homes still need repairs. Systems still need maintenance. Businesses still need local support. That creates a mismatch. High demand, limited labor. For new service businesses, that matters because scarcity changes value. When labor is scarce, customers tolerate higher prices. They accept longer wait times. They prioritize reliability over the cheapest option. This does not make service businesses easy, but it does make them viable and often more profitable than many crowded online or tech paths. The manual labor gap creates entry opportunity. Many people avoid service businesses because they assume they are low-paying or unstable. That assumption is outdated. What has changed is the labor supply. Fewer workers means fewer competitors who can deliver consistently. That raises the value of anyone who can show up, do the work, or manage the work properly. This is especially true for small, local service businesses. You do not need to scale nationally. You do not need to go viral. You need to serve a defined area well. This is not demand you have to invent. Cleaning, landscaping, pest control, HVAC maintenance, personal training, handyman services, mobile pet care, local IT support. These are not trends. They are ongoing needs. That means if you start one of these businesses, you are not convincing people they have a problem. You are positioning yourself as the solution. Why this can still be profitable? Labor is scarce. Time is expensive. That rewards businesses that show up and price correctly, not the cheapest ones. Recurring work reduces risk. Maintenance beats one-off jobs. This work is hard, but that difficulty is exactly why the opportunity exists. If you are considering starting a service business, choose an essential service with repeat demand. Start small and local. Track labor from day one. Price based on time, not feelings. Standardize services early. Look for recurring work as soon as possible. Expect the work to be real, but also expect demand to be there. The manual labor gap is not just a workforce issue. It is a market signal. Fewer people willing to do the work means higher value for those who will. Service businesses are harder to run, but easier to justify, easier to price, and harder to replace. For the right person, this gap is not a warning. It is an opening.